Zorillo's Explore tool allows advisors to learn more about the app marketplace and add-ons that suit particular businesses and industries. This can be done to research apps on behalf of your clients or to educate your firm more closely around what apps suit what type of business, so you can discuss these with your clients more effectively. To access the Explore tool, come across to the menu and hit Explore tool. You can then select an industry. So let's say that we have a wholesale business or a distributor. We'll hit next. We'll say they do clothes. You can answer all of these questions in your own time. We'll have 2, so it's small. They don't need cereals. They don't manufacture. They do a bit of, they do all B2C work. And yes, they sell online. No, they don't use eBay. A couple of warehouses, got 1,000 products, and they've got 2 in total that work there. So potentially just a B2C e-commerce. And they're using, let's say that they are using Xero. So this allows you to then explore an option that might be suitable for that particular client and explore different outcomes and get to know why things work for certain businesses and why you'd pick a particular app over another. Again, adding another feather to your cap around your knowledge of apps. This can be done many times and isn't tied back to an individual client.